Experience comfort, community and convenience all in one power-packed student home nestled in the heart of Washington, D.C. at June Homes 20001. Take your pick from stylish ensuites and charming non-ensuites, where your private room features a cozy bed for post-uni snoozers and tons of storage space for all your stuff. Whip up deliciousness in the shared kitchen, fully equipped for all your culinary adventures. With central AC to keep you cool at all times and laundry facilities on site, this property has you covered so you can focus on what matters most. Your wheels have a home too, with street parking available. When Howard University and Strayer University are just a short drive away, you can grab a coffee on the way and still make it to class on time. Explore the city effortlessly by hopping on a bus from New Jersey Avenue Northwest and R Street Northwest and P Street Northwest and 5 Street Northwest bus stops, or catch the subway from Shaw Howard University Metro Station. So secure your spot at June Homes 2001 Washington, D.C. today with amberstudent.com.